Here is the assembly instructions for the Booyah Extra Large Pet Stroller. First, insert the rear wheels until you hear a click. Make sure to do the right side. To release the wheels, push a button under the carriage and pull. Install the front wheel onto the front prongs and secure it with the knobs. Unfold the sides and install the horizontal bar. Insert the cotter pin to secure it. Next, install the handlebar like so. Insert the lock washers and install both brake rods. The brake can be used as a parking brake by squeezing the lever and pushing the button down. Next, insert the flag into the slot above the left wheel. To use it as a bike trailer, remove the front wheel and unfold the bike arm from underneath. Secure it with the cotter pin. And there you have it, the Booyah Extra Large Pet Stroller and Trailer by Booyah Strollers. For the best prices, always buy direct at booyahstrollers.com.